In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the passcode on your iPhone. To do this, you do need to know the current one if you have one set right now. This will not be how to change it if it's one that you do not know. And while we're looking at changing the passcode, we'll also look at how to switch it between a 4 or a 6-digit code if you want to do that. To get started, open the Settings app here on the home screen. Next, scroll down a little bit and then find and choose Face ID and Passcode. Once you open this, it'll ask you for your current passcode. At the top inside of here, you're going to see your Face ID settings. Scroll down about halfway through the page, and you'll see a couple of passcode options. From here, you can turn off the passcode altogether by tapping Turn Off Passcode and then confirming here. If you do this though, and you use Apple Pay or digital car keys, those are going to be removed and will be needed to be re-added. We'll cancel this, and then back here on the settings page, tap Change Passcode. Again, enter your current passcode, and after that, you can enter a new passcode that you want to change it to. The default now is the 6-digit code, but if you tap Passcode Options, you have some more options. You can choose between 4 or 6 digits, but you can also now choose a custom length numeric code, like maybe a full birthday or a phone number, and you also have an option for an alphanumeric code. Choose this, and you can enter anything you want as a passcode. Make your choice, and then enter it twice to confirm. After that, your new passcode is going to be saved to your iPhone, and you can use it to unlock and access sensitive data. One last thing, after you set your new passcode, you do have 72 hours to use both your old and your new ones. This is just in case if you forget your new one, so you can do a reset. And that's how you change your passcode on your iPhone.